everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today in this video I'll be sharing my reviews on fermented rice water hair care range from the brand Wishcare. And again, though these products are sent to me by the brand, but my reviews and opinion on these products are going to be 100% genuine. I am using these products for like 11 days now, which is roughly 3 to 4 washes, and the products that I received from the brand are: this is the rice water shampoo, this is the rice water conditioner, and this is the fermented rice water oil. So this is like a complete hair care range, the shampoo, conditioner and hair oil. And also there is going to be a giveaway on these products, so make sure you watch this video till the end. I'm gonna explain everything about the giveaway at the end of this video. So Wishcare is an Indian brand which is cruelty free. It is 100% vegan. It is free from any toxic or harmful chemicals. It is SLS and paraben free. It is made of all the natural ingredients, and the best part about this brand is it serves to environment like in a good way. So these bottles are recyclable. Finally, someone is contributing to our mother nature, and these products are available at all the e-commerce platforms. Now, do you all know how important is fermented rice water for our hair? Rice water has 70 to 80% of starch in it, and it has a lot of minerals, a lot of vitamins, vitamin E, vitamin B, antioxidants and whatnot. So women in Japan had floor length hair which they kept healthy by bathing it in rice water. And nowadays too, Yao women in China, they use rice water, and that's why they have 6 feet long hair. You can Google it, there is like a lot of research on this thing. So now that you know the benefits of rice water for hair, so I'm going to introduce you every product one by one. First is this hair oil. So this is how the packaging looks like. It doesn't come in any container kind of packaging. This is what, and this is how it comes. And also this product believes in serving environment, so that's why their packagings are also recyclable. So this is the cap that came along with it, which I really love because it is really helpful to apply oil in your hair, and this type of packaging ensures that the product is evenly spreaded in your hair. Everything that you need is imprinted on the packaging, whether it's the benefits or ingredients or how to use, directions, blah blah blah. And now let me read out some ingredients for you. So this has sesame oil, rice oil, vitamin E oil, wheat germ oil, argan oil, olive oil, coconut oil and rosemary oil. Now let me read out some benefits for you. So all the ingredients present in this oil nourishes hair follicles and restores nutrients. This formulation is uniquely made to provide strength and promote hair growth so that you can have your best hair day every day. And also this oil smells like nothing. There is a very mild fragrance that you will feel. And also the texture of this oil looks heavy, but it is not. It is super light. If you apply this oil, you won't feel any greasiness in your hair or on your forehead even, and it spreads so smoothly and evenly to your roots and to your scalp. Also, you need very little amount of this oil because it has a great coverage. It spreads very beautifully to your scalp, and I keep it for 2-3 hours and then I wash my hair. And it is not like this oil is heavy and not gonna get cleansed from your scalp or your hair, and you just need to wash single time. It is not like you have to wash it again to get rid of this oil. It is super light. Also, I'm gonna link the website in my description box, so do not forget to check that. The next product that I have with me is this shampoo. Now again, it comes like as it is. There was no outer packaging at all, and again it has pump sort of packaging, and you know it makes it really easy to get the right amount of product. And now let me read out some ingredients for you. So it has fermented rice water, vitamin E, protein, olive oil, fenugreek extract, rosemary extract, coconut oil, almond oil, black pepper extract. And now its benefits: it is a mild shampoo formulated to promote growth, strength and thickness to your hair. It also helps in restoring natural elasticity and shine to your hair through gentle cleansing and deep conditioning. Infused with benefits of fermented rice water and other natural ingredients, this shampoo uses age-old knowledge to fulfill our promises of giving you the gift of healthy, confident and good hair taste. So now my take on this product is, it is very mild, like really very mild, as all the SLS and paraben free shampoos are. Again, it forms less lather and its fragrance is very mild, like you won't even feel there is any kind of fragrance. And again, for this product I use 2.5 pumps and it cleanses really well. But one thing that I tried, like I don't do heavy champy at all. I apply a little amount of oil, like sufficient amount of oil. I do not overdo my oiling. So it cleanses really well. But I also tried it with heavy champy, like I applied a lot of oil to my hair and it didn't cleanse that well, like there was oil still in my hair. All the ingredients that are mentioned in this shampoo, they will provide your hair high amount of protein. It really makes your hair soft. Like this is my take on this product. This is what I have noticed. It adds shine to your hair. It detangles your hair, like make them smooth and soft. Next product that I have with me is this fermented rice water conditioner. Now let me read out some ingredients for you. So it has fermented rice water, vitamin E, soy protein, olive oil, fenugreek extract, rosemary extract, coconut oil, almond oil. Like most of the ingredients in this conditioner and shampoo are quite similar. Now the benefits. So this is formulated to promote growth, strength and thickness. It helps in restoring natural elasticity and shine to your hair by providing intensive conditioning. I love using this conditioner. Its texture is so good. It makes your hair frizz-free. It makes your hair soft and shiny too. So how I like to use this product is, after shampoo I keep it in my hair for 3 to 4 minutes and then I rinse it off. And yeah, definitely you will feel your hair so damn smooth. It works really well. And yeah, it's just like I have used them for 3 washes, but so far so good. These products really work for my hair in making them smooth and shiny. I didn't notice about my hair length because it is like just 3 washes. I didn't notice about hair fall. So yes, I'm gonna use it for another month and then I will update on my Instagram. If you are not following me on Instagram, I will leave my Insta handle here. So in and all, you can definitely try this range. It is really good and they are affordable as well. Everything about the price and the purchasing options would be there in the description box. And now about giveaway. I'm gonna do a giveaway on these products. So this is the shampoo, this is the conditioner, and I'm gonna update on my Instagram. Once I upload this video on my YouTube channel, after a week there would be a giveaway. And if you have any other recommendation about these products, then do let me know in the comment section below and I will see you in my next video.